Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So as you see, I'm not in my regular makeup studio, I'm on my roof. So as a disclaimer, I just wanted to say don't try this at home. This is just for entertainment purposes. I don't want you trying this. I don't want you getting on your roof. I don't want you doing anything crazy like that. I'm just doing it for fun, and I thought it'd be a fun video idea, but I do not suggest that you try it, so please don't. Like I said, this is just for entertainment purposes. I just thought this would be a fun idea. I haven't seen anybody do this, and if you know somebody that's actually done this, definitely comment them down below or tag them or tell them so we could give them credit. But as far as I know, nobody's done this. So yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun video. I can't do all the crazy stuff that, you know, people like Jeffree Star. I'm wearing my Jeffree Star shirt. Jeffree Star, James Charles, and all kinds of people like that I love, but I can't do videos like they can do, like doing makeup in a hot air balloon or on a jet or stuff like that. So this is the only crazy, quote, crazy thing that a normal person can do, I guess. So yeah, I thought this would be fun, so let's just get started. I do have my mirror out here, but it's so bright that I can barely see. As you can see, I'm squinting, which I shouldn't be. I should be wearing sunglasses, but I'm doing this video for you guys. But I thought it'd be fun to reveal what it actually looks like when I come back off the roof, and show you guys like what the ending result look like. Even though I have a mirror, it still may be interesting. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water to prime the face. Thankfully it's not like windy really or anything out here, so my hair won't be blowing in my face, but I did just shower, so my hair's all wet as you can see, so hopefully it won't get in my face when I'm trying to apply my foundation, which is next. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love this foundation so much. It's really nice. And I have a little cup of brushes over here, so what I'm going to do is just apply it to the face with the spatula and then blend her in. My Jeffree Star Morphe brush set, which you guys should definitely check out that video and see how I like the brushes. Obviously I'm using the foundation brush, so I like that one, but you should definitely watch that video to see if I liked the other ones. I will link that down below and put a card up so you guys can have easier access to watching that. My face seems pretty dry today for some reason, not really sure why. I probably won't powder too much, but I'm going to go in with concealer next. I have the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to use my Morphe M173 to blend that out. I feel like my makeup's not applying as good as normal because I am kind of sweating a little bit because it is kind of hot out here. And yeah, so you definitely shouldn't apply your makeup outside. I would suggest being in a cooler area where it's not too hot because I'm kind of sweaty and I feel like everything's not blending that well, but I also can't really see very well out here either, so I could be wrong. So now I'm going to go in with the Color Mates powder. This is the Color Mates Pressed Powder in Rose Beige, and I'm just going to lightly fluff that everywhere on my face with my Moda brush that we got in our boxycharm for March. So if you want to check that out, I can link that down below and put a card up. So next, blush. Sorry, this is something that's limited edition, but I thought it'd be good for this video because it has blushes and highlighters in it. It's the Tarte Blush Bazaar Amazonian Clay Blush Palette. Tarte's blushes and highlighters are really good, so I definitely think you should try them out. They're kind of expensive, so just keep that in mind. But I feel like their products are really good, so if you wanted to check them out, you could. So I'm going to use my AOA Studio F3 brush, and I'm going to go into Skillful, and I'm going to use that as my blush today. And I'm going to take the shade Worthy and use that as a highlighter. So now I'm going to do brows, but I'm not going to do anything crazy. I like my brows to be natural anyway, so this is something I would normally do. I have the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel and Mascara right here. And I'm just going to use that to fill in my brows a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just give them a little bit of tint to make them look a little more full than they actually are. I didn't bring a spoolie out here to make them as full as I normally do, because normally I put some on, I take the spoolie and I spoolie it out a little bit, but with this it applies way too much product, so you have to have a spoolie with it to like make it work perfectly. So I just kind of barely filled them in, but kind of wanted to try to do like somewhat of a full face of makeup. So I'm actually going to take, I didn't want to have too much stuff because I didn't want anything to like fall off the roof, so I kind of tried to limit my stuff. So I figured I would use this for eyeshadow too, the Tarte Blush Bazaar. And like I said, I can't really see what I'm doing, so this should be interesting. And I'm sweaty, so yeah, that helps. So I'm going to take the shade Fortunate, which is this peachy shade, and I'm just going to do the same look on both eyes since I technically can't really see what I'm doing anyway. Just do a one color eyeshadow look just to be safe. Nah, I'll go in with this gold on the lid, which is the shade Whimsical, and just kind of use my finger and apply that to the center of the lid and kind of blend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Smudge Brush. e.l.f. Smudge Brush. I really like this for the lower lash line, and I'm just going to make this a one-toned look and just use that Fortunate Peach shade in the lower lash line. It's getting sweaty out here. So now I'm going to go in with mascara. I have the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara from Wander Beauty, and I'm just going to use that to apply a little mascara. I figured I'd be able to see out here, so applying this mascara is actually really hard because I'm just kind of guessing where my lashes are, so I'm trying not to get it everywhere. So I'm not going to apply too much. This mascara actually is amazing. You're not really going to be able to see how good it is in this video because, like I said, I could barely see what I'm doing anyway, so if I was able to apply a couple coats and actually make it look nice, I would, but I can't really see, so I'm just guessing where my eyes are. So now I'm going to use the Broadway Ultra Lip Rosehip Oil Lip Gloss. I love this stuff. It's really good to like hydrate your lips. I know it's a lip gloss, but it actually really does hydrate your lips, so that's what we're going to use today. And she wants to explode everywhere, so I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, well, that was everything that I had brought out here to use. I guess I'll set it, even though I'm going to take it off after this is over anyway, because I'm sure it looks awful, but I like that because it's kind of cooling, because it's kind of hot out here. But I thought this would be a fun little video to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't that interesting or crazy, but I am on the roof, so I just tried to do something a little different than normal. I actually had a couple of other ideas of stuff that I could do that's kind of like more interesting or different than just being in the studio. So definitely let me know of any other crazy thing you'd like to see me do. Maybe doing my makeup in my car, not while driving of course, but while somebody else is driving, things like that. Because they could run over potholes and I could get my mascara everywhere. Who knows? I think that'd be a fun idea. I've seen a couple people do that, but definitely let me know if you want to see something like that or something more interesting like this video. And again, I don't want you trying this at home. I want to make that clear. Please don't. And yeah, so now I'm going to come in and reveal to you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is really super close up, but I wanted to get you guys in the natural lighting. So this is actually what it looks like on the inside. I don't think it turned out too horrible, especially for not even really being able to see. So what do you guys think? Makeup on my roof. Woo woo. That was really fun to make. Yeah, I got my little Jeffree Star mirror here, and looking at it myself, yeah, of course I could have did better, but under the circumstances of being outside, and it was really sweaty, and I'm on my roof, so it's kind of stressful because you don't want to fall off. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said, if you guys have any fun videos you want to see where they're like silly like that, where Maybe they're a little more outrageous or something like that. Definitely let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.